Ride the rural roads an hour south of Chicago to John Kiefner's farm, and you'll reach the results of a rough year.
Incomes have been trending lower, and the trade war definitely exacerbated the lower price for a lot of our commodities.
Raising corn, soybeans, chickens, and donkeys, he has endured a trade war, Midwest floods, swine flu, and now a coronavirus that slashed exports to Asia.
We had Mother Nature unleash one of the worst years of weather on us. So you take most of the prime growing areas across the Midwest. We had trouble even getting a crop planted, and in many areas we didn't.
In the swing states in the Midwest and Pennsylvania, which depend largely on agriculture and farming, President Trump narrowly won in 2016 on a promise to restore jobs. But for his 2020 re-election bid, there are economic warning signs.
Farmers are not doing as well as they would like. In manufacturing, employment levels in the Midwest went up substantially in the first few years of the Trump administration, but now the rate of growth in manufacturing has slowed.
From the Midwest's population centers to the plains, job growth has been anemic. In the first 3 quarters of 2019, jobs grew at a rate of more than 9% in Nevada and Colorado and less than 2% in Wisconsin, Ohio, and Michigan. Hardly the Midwestern jobs boom the president promised.
Amid the manufacturing and farming slowdown, Democratic activists note several key Trump states switched parties in the 2018 midterms.
Michigan, Wisconsin, they all tossed out the Republican in the governor chair, and they put a Democrat in November. That he can see the writing on the wall, that he's losing these key states.
As agriculture and the auto industries struggled through the president's recent trade war with China, some niche manufacturers, like Atlas Toolworks in Illinois, still prosper.
The industries that we're in, defense, aerospace work has been very busy. It was our best year in 100 years, and we've seen continued strong growth.
But here in the prairie states, the president's voters can be a stubborn lot.
As not a true supporter of Trump, I'll probably vote for him.
It is voters like him who are the president's best hope of maintaining his firewall in the American Midwest. John Hendren, Al Jazeera, Chicago.